The US claims it's thinking of Huawei's customers. A 90-day reprieve means select American companies will be able to continue working with the Chinese firm to ensure existing users of its smartphones and networks don't suffer too much disruption. But Huawei hasn't exactly showered the White House with thanks. In an interview with a Chinese news site, founder Ren Zhengfei said the US had underestimated Huawei's strength and ability to make its own components. Some analysts agree that what might have seemed like a setback for the company could prove a major opportunity.
They're already in the cheap phone market, and so this is going to actually make it probably better for them that they have something in-house that could work. They could actually make phones even cheaper and sell it in other markets.
The easing of restrictions comes a day after Google barred Huawei from some updates to its Android operating system, showing the types of challenges that could lie ahead for the company. But the US isn't pulling the plug completely, for now at least.
Well, let's talk a little bit about that with our financial market correspondent, Lars Halter, who joins us in Frankfurt. Lars, first of all, I mean, what's prompted this, let's just call it a change of heart?
Well, Monica, maybe President Trump has just heard from his own tech companies in Silicon Valley who are standing to lose a lot of money if he bans Huawei from being a customer. Google has a Huawei, of course, as a major customer with its Android system, but also chip makers like Xilinx or Intel. They're selling a lot of chips to Huawei as well. All in all, about 70% of what goes into a Huawei cell phone actually comes from the United States. And so, of course, there's a whole lot of companies that stand to lose some money here. And you saw that clearly in the stock market yesterday, too, when shares for the entire tech sector were actually down. Maybe not only on Huawei specifically, but on the question, if this starts with Huawei, where else is this going?
OK, so what does this mean for Huawei then? I mean, they seem determined and saying that we can go it alone.
Well, it gives them at least a little bit of time. It gives them 90 days now to continue stockpiling. They have done that anyway, but it also gives them a little bit of time to just come up with their own new options, like building their own software. But of course, it's going to take a lot of time. It also puts a lot of pressure, of course, on the Chinese government to come back to the table and maybe make a deal with President Trump in the trade war the way Trump wants it.
All right, Lars Halter there in Frankfurt. Thank you so much.